Hello, my name is Jem, and welcome to this Imbolc meditation. Imbolc is the time or the midpoint between winter solstice and the spring equinox. The days just begin to grow ever so slightly longer. The sun's strength is growing with every passing day. Warmth encasing all the hard earth from winter as slowly spring moves ever gently closer into our view. So we're going to begin now by just allowing yourself to either lie down or settle yourself into a chair. Allow the spine to be supported. If you are sat on a chair, keeping the soles of the feet on the floor. If you're lying on your back, just allow the feet to be hip distance, the arms to be a little bit away from the body, and the palms facing up. And just beginning to settle yourself and close your eyes. Feel your body relax. All tensions begin to drain away from your face, your scalp, your neck, shoulders, arms, torso, your legs. Sense the whole of your body calm, heavy, held deep within relaxation. As you begin to center yourself, feel for that calm, comfortable center in which you are whole. You are always whole. Ground yourself, your whole body extending out into earth, deep into the belly of the mother. Your roots begin to grow, long tendrils reaching into her ground. As you take your next exhale, you find your connectedness with her again. Imbolc is a time of deep change, a promise of growth from seeds planted with intention and love. You are full of fertility, and creativity flows easily from your deep intentions down to find roots which extend beyond any walls you may have created or which have been placed there in the past. Any challenges, obstacles, now dissolving into earth, your home. She is removing any challenges so you can find her again. Reach for her again, and she will hold you, has always held you. But now as you exhale, you can truly feel her presence and hear her gentle song in your ears. Imagine now that all your senses extend deep into earth. You abide in nature, in the outside world. The air is crisp and gripping at the inside of your nostrils. The sky is luminous, even when grey. You make a fire to welcome in Imbolc, to welcome in the mother, the goddess of fertility, wisdom, healing, and protection. Inviting her with chants which emanate from the depths of your soul, a song you remember from the past, held deep within your DNA. It calls you, and you know, like the lullabies you heard as a child, or sang softly to your own blood, that it is the call of your deep nature, your connection to her, to Mother. You exist between two worlds of nature and present experience. You invite her in. May Mother bless the house wherein you dwell. Bless every fireside, every wall and door. Bless every heart that beats beneath its roof. Bless every hand that toils to bring in joy. Bless every foot that walks its portals through. May Mother bless the house that shelters you. As you relax even more upon hearing her chant, the dormant season of winter gently ebbing away, the feeling of growth, ideas, creativity expanding and moving up from the deep belly of the womb which has held you over winter, a promise of fruition from seeds sown in seasons past. Nourishment is gained and drawn deep into the well of your heart, and you know this meditation will herald a new day of potential, your own deep transformation as you rebirth into spring, into your dwelling of both worlds, knowing that with Mother is where you belong. This is a time of deep change, a promise of growth from seeds planted with intention and love. You are full of fertility, and creativity flows easily from your deep intentions down to front roots which extend beyond any walls you may have created, or which you have placed there in the past, all which has held you back, challenges, obstacles, now dissolving into her earth, your home. She is removing all challenges so you can find her again, reach for her again, and she will hold you, has always held you. But now as you exhale, you can truly feel her presence and hear her gentle song in your ears. May Mother bless the house where you dwell. Bless every fireside, every wall and door. Bless every heart that beats beneath its roof. Bless every hand that toils to bring in joy. Bless every foot that walks its portals through. May Mother bless the house that shelters you. Your breath deepens now as you slowly reach up to come back inside. You can feel your presence in the space you occupy, the walls, which are blessed with shelter, the outside merging with the inside. You are encased and wombed within her love. Welcome to the season of change, the being and the becoming. the expansive nature of your own creative self, transformed and excited to move from winter into spring. Welcome to the passing seasonal change of Imbolc. Welcome back home to you, to the womb of the mother.